In this video, you'll learn how to start an eBay store. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to set up your store, create listings, and promote your products effectively. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. Once there, locate the sell option, which can typically be found at the top of the homepage. Clicking this will direct you to a page where you can start the process of opening your store. Next, you need to choose a store type that aligns with your business goals. eBay offers 3 options: basic, premium, and anchor. The basic store is ideal for those with a smaller inventory and lower sales volume, while the premium store is suitable for sellers with a moderate number of listings. The anchor store is designed for larger businesses with higher sales expectations. Consider your inventory size and expected sales volume when making this decision, as each type comes with different monthly fees and benefits. After selecting your store type, proceed to set up your branding and listings. This involves creating a store name that reflects you will also want to design a logo and write a description that clearly communicates what your store offers. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your store description to improve search visibility. Following this, list your initial products. Focus on crafting optimized titles, detailed descriptions, and high-quality images for each item. Engaging visuals and clear information can significantly impact buyer interest. Once your store is set up with products, the next step is to launch and promote it effectively. Enable marketing tools available on eBay, such as markdown sales, which allow you to offer discounts on your products. Consider using promoted listings to increase the visibility of your items in search results. Additionally, leverage social sharing options to reach a wider audience. Promoting your store through social media platforms can attract potential buyers and drive traffic to your listings. Finally, ensure you periodically review your store's performance and make necessary adjustments. Monitor sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels to optimize your offerings and marketing strategies. This ongoing management is crucial for the success of your eBay store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.